Another day, another repeat order na naman tayo sa ating undefeated piso Wi-Fi 6 bindo. Hindi ko po alam bakit pana-repeat order ang ating client. Itong apat na bindo, isa la po may-ari nito, bound to Mualbo, Alcibo. Ito yung pang 15th repeat order with package TP-Link EEP 225. Then, ito naman yung isang bindo, pang 16th repeat order na po ito, package din nun ng EP 225. Then, ito naman yung pang 17th repeat order ng ating client, package din with TP-Link EEP 225. Then, ito naman yung pang 18th repeat order, package din with TP-Link EEP 225. Ang ating window is Starlink set up with Starlink filter, anti-hack, anti-stow, and anti-slave with black torrenting. No need license, no SD card, no USB tulan, no need bilan, no need 5B5 broter. Proven na po ito sa ating ma-applyan from Apari to Tawi-Tawi.